lights, and we are replacing them with these IKEA lights. The car knockers. The car knockers. That's crazy. Is that a good name?
It's a good name.
That's crazy. Tell me they did that on purpose for sure. All right, so we're gonna do this. It's a very simple thing to do. And we did that one over there. That's an IKEA light actually. It looks really nice. And then we also did the IKEA cabinet for the move. We just put a video out on that if you wanna look at us building that. But in order to do this, you just need a few things. Screwdriver, little wire cutters. You don't necessarily need the wire cutters, but it's easier. One of these guys. And first things first is to turn off the electricity so you don't hurt yourself. So we're gonna do that. Can y'all yell at me when the light's off?
Xander's on it.
Okay, Xander will do it.
I'm gonna drop something now. It's off!
Oh!
Thank you. Yes, I'll help you. Power, and
I don't need them.
around there. All right, next up, after you get all the wires disconnected, you put up the plate that goes underneath, and then the wires will connect through this. And those go up. Those go up in there. We got light, so that's a good sign. Now we just have the last piece to the puzzle, which is just this guy, and it should be very simple to put on. Oh no! Oh no! Ah!
What?
I'm just kidding. There we go. What do you think? Good? Hey, are you licking the wall? You silly? Alright, look at that. What do y'all think? Oh, look, you can see the little light out of that hole up there. I wonder if there's a little thing to plug that hole up there. Huh. I thought they had those before. Interesting. I think it looks really good though. What do you think? Boob light or the knocker light? You know? Same body part, but I think this one is a little bit more pleasant. And now look, you got this guy matched with that guy. Very nice. I'm gonna turn this off. So you got the all right, and then we still got this last light to do, so we'll do that. But if you have any questions about installing one of these, let me know in the comments and I'll help you out. But that's about it for this video. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.